Hi, I have a box opening today, and I didn't take my address off. Hurry and rip that off. Excuse me. I've been doing box openings in the basement, and there's like no windows down here, so there we go. So I have a light of my daughter's that I turned on, so I hope it doesn't make like weird shadows, because she does makeup looks and stuff. But so I have a box opening, but I also had something else fun come in the mail today, and I just thought I could open it really quick too. The other day I saw these, and I've seen them before. I don't remember why I saw them again, but I saw them and I looked on Amazon, and they had a few, I don't know if I looked on eBay, surprise, surprise, but then I looked on their website, and because I really wanted a certain one, and it looked like it was hard to find, or it was more expensive, I might have looked on eBay, now I think about it. But anyway, so these came today along with my baby. I just thought it'd be fun to open these. They're just dorky things. This is like the kind of stuff, besides like reborns, that I like to buy, is just like random, just like things that I feel like are cute. So these are Cats versus Pickles, little like beanbaggy things. So I did order one off Amazon. I got, it's the notebook, and it looks like a, was it the notebook or note page? Something like that. It looks like a piece of white paper with the red margin. But anyway, so I had to buy this set. There was 4 in one set so that I could get the one that I wanted, and then I bought 2 others. So they're like these little beanbaggy things. This is like the little ninja. Let me see if they're Ninja Kitty. Get ready for a cat attack. Aren't they cute? They're just fun to like set up around the reborns and stuff. And this one came with a pickle. I don't know the whole story. There's probably a whole story with them. But so this one's a pickle. Cats versus Pickles. I don't know if it's kind of like that thing how if you put a cucumber by a cat and they freak out and stuff because they're scared of them. And the reason I bought the 4 set, well, I'll show this one too. This is, oh, this one's cute. It's like a little rain cloud, lightning cloud, stormy kitty. Look how cute. Oh, I didn't even look at the name of the pickle. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hurry so we can get to the baby. But I just thought it was fun. I would open them both at the same time. Francis! Ah! So his name's Francis. Oh, that's super cute. This is why I bought the 4-pack. And it is Zombie Kitty. Look, he's missing an ear. He's all patched up. Little blood spots and stuff. Way cute. And they weren't like super expensive or anything, so I thought they were way fun. And I kind of like Zombie Cat. She's just hoping her other ear doesn't fall off. Funny. I really like beanbaggy feeling things, so that's why I got these. And then I bought this 2-pack because I actually like both of them, but I really wanted the ladybug. Look how cute that is. Let's see what it's called. Have you ever like, you're trying to hurry to do something and so you're super slow? I'm always slow. Anyway, ladybug, the lucky cat, is paws down. The luckiest. I don't know if it said cat or day. Kitty. So the ladybug. And then this one has a moon and stars, and I like that one too. And that is Maji Cat. Watch out or he may turn you into a toad. Oh, maybe it's like magic. I thought it was like a universal kitty. But anyway, so yeah, that came today too. and my new baby. So let's get to that. Like I say a lot, this is kind of a surprise baby. Not one of the customs that I have in line to be made, though I have to admit, when I spoke to the artist who made this baby, and I asked a while ago, are you going to make one of these? I kind of, when I inquired of it, was hoping that if she said yes, that she'd be, yes, do you want that baby too? But she said yeah, and then she ordered it, and then she was making it, and then I had seen others, and I thought, you know, it has closed eyes, and closed eyes babies are not my most favorite, though I am getting more of them because there's just so many cute kits, and a lot of them have closed eyes. But I just thought I'll keep my eye open. I can get one later on if I decide I want to pay off the customs I have already. I don't want to, if I have any spare money, I want to be able to put it towards a custom and not like get behind or not get behind because I keep paying, but like I could use the money for something else to go towards the customs. But since she made this baby, who I always have a couple customs going through, I was able to make some payments, and I was able to get him, and I'm thrilled because I wanted, when I saw this baby as a clay sculpture, I was super, super excited, and just like, oh, I want a baby, I want that baby when it comes out. And it's kind of tossing around, I just wasn't going to get one for a while now, but it worked out, I did. Anyway, long story. So here we go. Cute paper. And there's a little pumpkin stuck. I'm not going to show this yet because it is a pumpkin sparkle baby by Chelsea Pierce. And her work is wonderful. And even her stuff a year ago when she was more beginning, oh my goodness, I still love all my babies by her. I mean, I really, really do. It's just really weird. Not really weird, but I've sold a few lately. I sold a couple to help pay for him, and clean car smell. It smells so good. I sold a couple to help pay for him, and when I sit and look at my collection, and I start thinking of who I would sell or what, I start thinking, is there going to be some day where I only own babies made by Pumpkin Sparkles Babies? Because when I start looking at some of them to sell, her babies are the ones that I'm like, no, not going to sell that one. Don't want to sell that one. But I have seen some collectors recently who only have like 2, 3, maybe up to like at the very most like 5 babies, and they're very, very nice babies. And there's this little feeling in me lately like I could maybe sell like all of them and buy just a couple super, not all of them, but most of them, a couple super nice ones, like super expensive. They're all nice, you know, like higher end. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like narrow it down. But then that's usually like 1 or 2 in the morning. I'm thinking that, and then in the morning when I wake up and I look at all of my reborns sitting there, and I think, you know, I'm really blessed to have all these, and I really love all of them, and I just should be grateful instead of thinking I need to sell them all and be like everybody else and just have a couple. So anyway, here he is. After very much too long talking. So I like this blanket. Super cute. I love these swaddle blankets. So here's his knee. Just kidding. Here's his little feet. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to expect with him. they're so cute. They're just short and chubby. This lighting, I thought it would help, but it's almost making him darker. So here's his little chubby legs. I might move this just a sec. Does that help at all? If I just turn it off. How about I drop it? It landed on the box, but it unplugged. Okay, we're going to do it without. We'll see how this goes now. Okay, so here's his little legs. Super cute. Oh, his little onesie isn't done up. Maybe it doesn't fit. I don't know. And here's a little arm. And his other little arm is up here by his face. Look at these little hands. Little chubby fingers. And his face. Ta-da! Oh, look at the hat. Oh my gosh, look how cute. He's so cute. Hello, little man. It is Nino. I can get this out. And here's his little passy. I love that she's been putting passies with the babies lately. So here's his picture. Chelsea Pierce, Pumpkin Sparkles babies. And his cute little lion hat that he's wearing right now. Look at this little arm. It just kind of... Oh, he's so cute. I really wish... I love him. But when Chesna was sculpting him, and I saw that she was sculpting a little baby with dwarfism, I wished his eyes were open so bad. Because I was in love with him and excited about the sculpt, but I just really love open eye babies. And I mean, he's like a 99.8% adorableness, and open eyes would have been 100% adorableness. So it's Nino, sculpted by Vincenzina Care, 85 of 200. And he has achondroplasia. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not good with dwarfism. It's the most common form of dwarfism. Larger heads, flat nasal bridge, frontal bossing, shorter bowed legs, and average sized torso. It's caused by mutation in a gene. 1 in every 15,000 to 1 in 40,000 births. And there are 200 different types of dwarfism. In ancient times, people with, I can't say it, I'm sorry, pronounce it, were considered gods throughout all different cultures, including but not limited to Egyptian, North, and Hinduism. And then she has her signature. These special little babies. I love the way that she does her sculpts and does her, like her Stanley Oliver and all of her little ones that she makes. And she's just putting awareness out there and showing everybody, every baby, every person is beautiful. And this little man is beautiful, not only because of his just adorableness, but just that he is such a special baby. And look how cute he is. And look at his hair. Oh my heck. Her hair is just leaps and bounds. Oh, stocky little body. Nice little head. So, there he is. And I think she named him Sage. I think that's what she was calling him. So I'm going to keep his name Sage. And I might name him Sage McFadden, which is a whole nother story. Because I have a feral cat that I feed, and his name is Sneezy, but I call him Sneezy McFadden, and he has not been doing very well lately. And it's been a whole sad thing. I mean, he's still alive and stuff, but he's been kind of sick. Look at those ears. And the other day I was thinking, when Nino gets here, when Sage gets here, I might name him Sage McFadden. Oh, he has a little red moly owie sorry thing. Look at the hair on their forehead. On his forehead. So, this is the new little guy. He's gonna be so fun to dress. I ordered him a little outfit that I thought would be really cute on him. Stripes, kind of cream and maroony-ish, reddish stripes. But it might only fit the top of him because the bottom of him is so shorter. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. With his big old squishy cute face. Those lips. Oh, how fun. Anyway, so here's a little Sage with his so cute hat. Look at this cute hat with the fur and the little ears. I was thinking it was like a lion, but now that I look at it, I guess it could be bear ears. And his cute little drooly bib. Hey, you want to hold a pickle? So anyway, sorry about the long video. Hopefully you can hear me better. I wore my AirPod to hopefully make my voice louder, since I'm struggling so bad with that lately. Okay, anyway, there he is. New boy, so cute. I hope you all are having a beautiful day and beautiful week, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. We have a lot to be thankful for, even though it's been a really rough year. But there's always blessings everywhere around us. So I hope we all can be grateful for all that we have, and look forward to even better days. And I hope you all have a lovely day today. Thanks, bye.